in this universe, every matter is made up of very small particles called atoms. An atom has a nucleus which has protons and neutrons in it and electrons revolving around it. Protons are positively charged and electrons are negatively charged. Electrons are moving in different orbits around the nucleus depending upon their energy. But whenever an electron gets energy, it jumps from its orbit to an upper orbit. And when it loses energy, it falls down to the lower orbit. So it depends on energy in which orbit an electron will move around the nucleus. In the same way, each of us has an energy level. This energy level is different for different person. There is an individual difference because of this energy level. It becomes very difficult to persuade certain people. They don't agree with you, they never agree with you, but they get agree with some other person. What is the reason? Because the people, the person having same energy level understand each other completely, thoroughly. But a person with different energy level will find it difficult to make him understand any concept, anything, or any idea. So it is the difference of energy level that makes a person stronger in thoughts, in ideas, in actions. And it is because of the lower energy level that a person is always in tension, depression, finding it very difficult to face any situation or to tackle with or to find solution for his problems. It all depends on the energy level. So what does meditation give us? When we meditate, it produces energy. It rises up our energy level, which makes us stronger both spiritually and then physically. This is the energy that causes our soul, that causes the journey of our soul to move upward. We having 7 chakras in our body. Heart is the center of all the chakras where the soul is supposed to live. When we meditate, when we get energy, when our energy is increased because of meditation, then the journey of the soul is upward. It moves upward, towards upward towards our upper chakras. You say throat chakra, third eye chakra, and then Sahasrara chakra. But if a person who is not meditating, always busy with worldly affairs or with this physical body or doing all the time the physical things, lowers his energy, he may be in tension, depression because of lowering of this energy, like the electron who loses its energy falls down in the lower orbit. But when the same electron gets energy, it jumps into higher energy level, higher orbits. In the same way, when we lose energy, we are in tension, we are in depression, and the journey of the soul is towards lower chakras, Manipur, sacral chakra, and then Muladhara chakra, the last one. So it depends on you how much time you devote for meditation. The time you use for meditation automatically energize you, your soul, your spiritual body, your real self, and then you will be higher in thoughts, spiritually, mentally, and physically.